Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you doing? I thank you for my subscribers, my viewers, my returning subscribers, and my new subscribers. How are you doing? If you're meeting me for the first time, I'm happy that I welcome. Please subscribe to my channel. I enjoyed this day family, guys. Today's video I want to carry you guys along. My washing machine got spoiled, so I've been washing clothes at my madam's daughter-in-law's place, my friend place. I'll be taking clothes to wash around there, but today finally my madam has given me new machine. So guys, we are fixing it today. Yes, so I'm the one telling the workers what to do because I'm the one using it. I know how I want it. Sometimes if I don't put it too well, it will fall down. So because we put it outside, we don't put it inside because of the space, because there is not enough space inside my bedroom. That is where my washing machine was before, but now we'll take it outside. You guys see I wash outside before. I don't wash outside, guys. So now I've been telling them what to do the way I want it. So that's what I've been doing. So I'm going there now to go and see them they're doing. There's workers there. Okay, please subscribe, like, and comment. Happiness, love you guys. Thank you so much. So this is where we are missing our cement, guys. You guys have not seen this place before. This is another entrance. Another entrance to my washing place. See my new, oh guys, it's done. This is where I'll be standing, guys. Where I'll be standing. Oh, I so much like the way they did this place now. I was once telling them what to do. This is a new machine, guys. No machine. No machine. You see with the line up. No machine, guys. No, guys, it wasn't like this before. So now we're going to drop the machine here, and this will weight the machine. This is what I told them I want. This will weight the machine, so it won't fall down. And this is pipe. Water will go out here. This is where I will stand. So it's like I'm having my new place, guys. And this is the old one. This one is finished. This is where my switch on and off is. Where we on it. This is how we connect it. So this is my new machine. So I'm walking. Really hard. Then. Aliyo masa hoje? Ndio mama mshikila. Bokora. Badesa. So now they are done. So this is it. This is where I'll be stepping my leg when I'm washing. This is where I will drop the washing machine. This is my plan. Before they want the washing machine to be on top here, I told them no, it will fall. You know, we that is using the washing machine will know what we want. So if you're washing, you want to dry the clothes, and not here the washing machine will fall because it's up. It will vibrate. but now everything is okay. I'm happy with my newborn baby. This is our new baby. So guys, this is the next day. So you guys can see I'm spreading water on the plastering, and the reason why I'm doing this, so the cement will not crack, it will last long. So if you do plaster after 24 hours, before you drop anything, before you step on it, you have to spread the water. The plaster is going to soak the water, and some of the water is going to waste. To make it they solid, it won't crack. That's what I'm trying, that's what I'm doing, guys. Enjoy the video. Please like, comment and subscribe, guys. So guys, we are done. This is the finishing, guys. This is what I asked them to do, so I can drop the machine inside. So this is the looking. So guys, this is how it looks like. So this pipe here, washing water, any water inside this will come out. Any water that drop inside here will come out through this pipe, guys. Okay, and this particular pipe here, guys, washing water will be coming out here and move out to this place, go outside. And guys, my mother finally gave me a big machine. She was telling me it was small one. So now that I fixed it and I opened it, it was big. It's big. At least you can be able to wash a blanket inside. You see how this instrument here. And I have not fixed many things here. Will I be the one to fix it? There's something inside. What is this? This one where they fix maybe soap and all the rest. This is drying part. So now I'm removing it. I want to disvirgin it now. I'm washing, guys. I'm no more going outside to go and wash. This is the cover. This is the drying cover. This is the second one. So let's remove trying to remove the pipes, guys. And I want to clean up this place. This place is messed up, guys. I have to clean this place. See our ladder they used to work. This is pumping machine here, guys. Sometimes I'm making video noise. Sometimes when I'm making video, you guys will be hearing noise. This is pumping machine. These are pumping machine. So we'll cover it because of it. Rain and sun. So this is old one. So let's start washing this morning. I'm so happy. I'm not going outside to go and wash, guys. So guys, see my new baby. I'm so happy, guys. So let's dive into the work. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe to my channel. So guys, now I'm doing ukurogala bend down sweeping. I don't bring a brush, so let's do ukurogala. Don't mind the noise. So the pumping machine is making noise. Let's remove the part, the nylons, guys. Oh gosh, this is looking lovely and nice. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. I'm ready to watch you guys. So I don't know. Maybe they will do this one later. I don't have to. This is hose. This is manual. This is hose, but because there is no pipe closer to this washing machine, I'm going to be using this particular hose, guys. As usual, I'm going to be using this one to fill water inside, guys. So this is the manual. This is the cover. This cover looks nice. Oh, the cover is limited. Like this. Get the cover now. Nice. Okay, like this. going to be washing my first time with this washing machine. I'm so happy, I'm so happy. So now, here is sun for the first time. I'm done filling water. This is my soap, guys. I have to put soap. Then let's start. I hope I know how to use this. Why is it not on it? Oh, see me, oh, this is no one. I'm JJ. I was spraying this one. This is normal now. Hey, see the sound, powerful sound. This one is resin. This is drying. Okay, this is normal. You don't touch this, so. Oh my God. See JJC. I've not used no washing machine like this before. See. Let me show you guys inside. See, look at how it's working. Yeah. I'm so happy, guys. I'm so happy this woman give me no machine. It's too small. It's giving me headache. Every day we'll repair. We'll call somebody to come and work on it. Finally, she has given me no washing machine, guys. I'm happy, guys. So you guys should tell me congratulations for my newborn baby. Yeah, this is my newborn baby here in this house. I'm so happy. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, guys. It's very big, it's very wide. So where is the okay? This yeah, the water. Okay. Okay, this is the two. We have two pipes here, guys. This pipe is coming from washing machine, and this one is going out, the big one. Okay, guys, don't mind our side though, don't mind our area. This is old woman house. You know, people who are not paying for rent, they have a lot of space here, so they can create anything they want anywhere outside. Okay, normally it's supposed to be inside or inside my bedroom, but my bedroom is very small, so I have to drop it outside. So it's okay, guys, it's okay. Guys, this is powerful gradual. That's what it is. That's it.